Hey, what's up, everybody? Once again, the pressure is on silver and gold, all the precious metals this morning as I record this video on February the 17th, 2023. Everything is currently in the red, and in this video, I'm going to explain why. And could we be seeing this pressure on the precious metals? Could we be seeing downward pressure for quite some time? I don't know for sure, but I do believe we could be, and I'm going to explain why in this video. Before we go on any further, please hit the thumbs up button on this video, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my thoughts, my opinions on all the information that we have to go off of currently as to what is going on with these precious metal markets. Please let me know your thoughts, your opinions in that comment section below as well. As I do record this video on February the 17th, 2023, silver is currently down 1.25% or down 27 cents to $21.28. Gold is currently down 0.5% or down $9.60 to $1,826.40. In this video, I'm going to reference a couple of articles. One is from CNBC and another one is from Kitco News. The CNBC article is discussing the hot inflation numbers that came out just a couple of days ago, which is one of the reasons why the pressure is on silver and gold. But rather we are talking about the stock market, or if we're talking about silver and gold or the precious metal market, everybody is worried. The markets in general, in my opinion, are worried about what the Fed's next move is going to do because of the bad news that came out a couple of days ago, because of the CPI numbers, the inflation numbers, or the worse than expected news that came out because of the PPI data. The markets are now trying to digest everything and trying to figure out what Jerome Powell's next move is going to be. For some reason, the markets, prior to CPI coming out and PPI numbers coming out, the markets for some reason thought the Fed was going to, in my opinion, that the Fed was going to back off of raising interest rates. And like I've said on many videos, if you listen to what Jerome Powell says, he had no plans in backing off of interest rate hikes. Now with the hot CPI numbers coming out and with the worse than expected PPI numbers coming out, that is in part what is spooking these markets right now. And the Fed is not going to announce interest rate increases until March the 22nd. So we still have more than a month to wait before the Fed announces what the new interest rates are going to be. Is it going to be 25 basis points? Is it going to be 50 basis points? And according to this CNBC article, and according to the St. Louis Federal Reserve President, James Bullard, we could see a 50 basis point interest rate increase, and he supports that 50 basis point increase. Could we see that? I don't know. But if this is going to be the discussion from now until the Federal Reserve has their meeting in March, on March the 22nd, when he steps to that podium and announces what the interest rate increase is going to be, could we see downward pressure on the precious metals until then? I don't know. I'm not a market predictor and I don't pretend to be on YouTube, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. But this article says stocks were also under pressure following comments from the St. Louis Federal Reserve President James Bullard. He said he backed a 50 basis point interest rate hike at the central bank's previous meeting, and he would not rule out a rate increase of that magnitude at the March meeting. So I believe that's in part why these markets are down today. Now, an article from Kitco News from Friday, February the 17th, 2023 at 8:09 in the morning. Gold and silver prices are solidly lower in early U.S. trading Thursday, with gold hitting a 6-week low and silver a 10-week bottom. Recent U.S. economic data, including a hot producer price index report Thursday, have a general marketplace is a keen risk adverse mentality late this week. The marketplace is now worried about the Federal Reserve being aggressively hawkish for a longer period of time. Now, let me pause right there. Anybody, and I've said this on many videos, anybody who has been listening to these press conferences that Jerome Powell has been having when he raises interest rates or shortly after he raises the interest rates, everything that he said in these press conferences has pointed to more rate increases and having higher interest rates for a longer period of time. That's what he's always indicated, in my opinion, from me listening to all of his press conferences. That is what he's always been indicating. But for some reason, these markets haven't been hearing the same message that I've been hearing. Metals traders are deeming that notion as bearish for global demand prospects, as central banks clamp down on their monetary policies in order to slow economic growth and in turn tamp down inflation. April gold was last down $15.80 at $1,836, and March silver was down 34 cents at $21.37. So the markets are currently under pressure, in my opinion, because of all the bad information that has came out over the last couple of days, including the CPI numbers, including the PPI data. And now markets are starting to wonder if Jerome Powell is going to go more hawkish and not go 25 basis points, but go 50 basis points, or could he even go 75 basis points? I don't know the answer to that. But if this is going to be the chatter, if this is going to be what is going to be the discussion until the Federal Reserve has their meeting on March the 22nd, once again, that's over a month away, then could we see pressure on silver and gold all the way leading up to when he finally makes that announcement? And then when he does make that announcement, if it is indeed 50 basis points, or even if he goes more hawkish than that, could we see sub $20 silver? Again, I'm not a price predictor, I'm not a market predictor, but I think it is possible that we could possibly see sub $20 silver, maybe even gold in the $1,700 range, but I don't know. Before I end this video, let me give you current spot prices, because it looks like silver and gold has come back a little bit from where they were when I started this video. Silver is currently down 12 cents, or down a little bit over 0.5% to $21.43. Gold is down only $3.20 now to $1,832.80. By the time you're watching this video, who knows, maybe gold and silver at that time will be in the green. Let me know that in the comment section below. I appreciate everybody for watching. Smash that thumbs up button on the video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.